A steamboat sailed ashore. It was calling me aboard. And as I climbed inside, I saw you sitting there. In a daydream.
Beauty is a fact and it can change in time. Something ugly in the morning can become beautiful in the evening. Usually, my weekdays are pretty hectic, though I always try my best to slow down during evenings. But weekend evenings are different. I make sure to have at least a couple of minutes to spend some meaningful time with myself. I either do uninterrupted deep cleaning, enjoying a cup of coffee while writing, reading, or watching my favorite YouTubers, or meditating. At this stage, I am still getting accustomed to our new space, and I'm still finding a good routine here and there. Join me this week as I share with you my random evening at home.
Steamboat sailed ashore. It was calling me aboard.